Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use mail merge in Word. Okay, so if you are using MS Word and you want to learn how to use mail merge, this video will show you how to do it step by step. So as I want to create a salary slip for 10 employees. Okay, so first I am going to just create like this format. Okay, employee ID, name, department, basic salary, HRA, other allowance, deduction and net salary. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to just go to Excel and you have to create like this table. Okay, a table like this. Okay, of employee details. This is employee ID, this is employee's name, this is their department, this is basic salary, this is HRA, other allowances, deduction and net salary. Okay, then you have to save it on your desktop with a specific name. Okay, so I have saved it with employee details 01. Okay, then again you have to go to mailing, go to mailings. Okay, then here you will see option start mail merge, you have to click on it. Now go to letters. Okay, you can choose the uh, format according to your need in a wallop labels directory. So my need is letters. Okay, so this is the letter. Then what you have to do, just click on the select recipients, click on it, and now you have to click on use an existing list. So I have the list. Okay, the Excel list. So I have to click on it, and then you have to click on this employee detail 01. Okay, this Excel file, you have to select it and click on open. Then you have to click on yes. Okay, then it will ask for entire worksheet, you have to just click on okay. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to just remove this employee ID. Okay, and go to insert merge field, click on employee ID. Then again one by one, name, department, you have to remove the department and department. Then basic salary, basic, you have to go to basic. Then HRA, then other allowance, deduction, and last net salary. Okay, then you can preview this, you have to just click on it and you can preview one by one. Okay, each employee's name, allowance, deduction. Okay, you can preview this. After that you can select mail merge range, means if I want only the five employees. Okay, so I have to just type here, select custom 1 to 5. Okay, but I want to create salary slip of all employees, just you have to click on like this. Then finish and merge, you click on finish and merge. Then here you will see edit individual documents, you have to click on it. So when you click on it, you will see all the employees document has been created. Okay, just by one click. Okay, so like this you can do this, you can mail merge. Now you can edit anything you want, and after that you can convert it into PDF, or and also you can share it with employees in the email. Okay, so like this you can use mail merge in Word. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.